One for the Mustang fans here. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. Now this particular car, Dearborn built car. 289 V8 A code. And that is what's underneath the hood right now. So you got a 4-barrel, 289 underneath there. And that is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. That's also where this car would have came from Ford. Back in 1966. Let's take a close look at this front chrome and fascia. As you can see, driving lights, a nice looking chrome bumper, fog light surrounds or driving light surrounds and grille, all looking in good shape. A few little spots where you can see touch up here and there. One little spot right there, if that'll show up. I mean, the paint shows very nice, but like I said, you will have a few spots where previous owner was taking care of it. Would maybe touch up a little spot here or there as need be. Now this would have been an original T code paint, so it would be original candy apple red car. Power steering also underneath the hood with that 289. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, the interior, the underside, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Go ahead and take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. You can see it's nice and straight. It does not appear to be full of a bunch of filler. Bondo, you're not getting those waves that you're going to see in a car that is real thick. Also, take a look above and around the wheel wells, down in the lower rockers, and again, the still pictures will show you the underside of this car, so you'll be able to take a look at the torque boxes, the pans. Take a good look at it. Interior on this one, dark red on red trim, and that would be interior trim code 25. So this car is very original to the way it would have came from Ford back in 1966. Of course, with the exception riding on the American Racing torque thrust style wheels, radial tires. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Couple things that I want to note. There's a brand new clutch in a box right there. It does have a little bit of chatter when you're releasing the clutch. That clutch will be included with the sale of the vehicle. That's the way the consignor wanted to represent this car. So telling you straight up, that is also work that we could do here. Save a few bucks, do it yourself. Just want to make you aware of that. And also, as far as the gauges, oil pressure gauge does not have the sender in it, so there's no reading the oil pressure gauge, FYI. Want to make you aware of that. And again, still pictures, check out the underside, interior, engine bay, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Something that was just recently done to this as far as service, does have a new fuel pump in it. All right, let's take a look up and down this driver's side also. And again, you can see how straight that is. You see how evenly the door line is between the front and rear fenders. Again, does not appear to be a real thick car. And take a look at those underside pics. You'll be able to see, again, torque boxes, floor pans, the underside of the car. All right, let's take a look at this interior. Like I said, dark red with red trim. There is the door data tag right where it should be. Still original rivet, so that does match the VIN underneath the hood. And you can check that out in the still pictures also. Would not be surprised if these seats are original. In good shape. Front and rear. Take a look at the headliner. Sorry about the glare. That's also in nice shape, as you can see. Does have a little more modern radio in it, and that does work. Had the radio working, wipers working. Start this up, let it warm up just a little bit. Hey, the seatbelt light works. Fuel gauge works. Amp gauge works. Temp gauge will come up with temperature of the engine. Also, horn works. Run the wipers real quick once for you. They work. And of course, I mentioned the stereo.
Legendary.
Stereo works also. So with the exception of that oil pressure gauge, just because of the sender, everything looking good on the interior. They're warmed up here. All right. Flip around to the back so you can hear this run. Dual exhaust, nice sounding 289. A little bump to it. All right, slip up to the front. Let's see if I can pop this with one hand. I only have to pause this a second. Not going to work. Thought it might pop up for me. Let me pause this 1 second and get that hood open.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Definitely a two-hand job. All right. 289, A code, 4-barrel, power steering, little dressed up valve covers or over valve covers, powered by Ford. Nice smooth running V8. And looks very original underneath there. Again, I mentioned that VIN that was underneath the hood. You have the VIN stamped right here, and that will match the tag on the door. There you go, candy apple red 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. Very similar to the way it would have came back in 1966. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract with a self-produced sales associate when you call in or email.